meeting called on Mr. President and the Chief Executive Officer of Nigeria and Commander-in-Chief of Nigerian Armed Forces to immediately send an executive bill to the National Assembly to amend the Nigerian Constitution to devolve more powers to the states with respect to security arrangements, culminating in some form of state policy and general security architecture. In the interim, Mr. President should summon an immediate meeting of the Nigerian Police Council, which comprises Mr. President and all state governors and other critical stakeholders to evolve and implement strategies to combat present threats to our nation, especially with respect to policing. The meeting agreed that the police force still remains appropriate institution to secure our democracy and should not be subjected to personal attacks. The welfare, training, equipment, funding of all security agencies should be given priority. The meeting supports the earlier position taken by the Nigerian Governors Forum, Northern Governors Forum, and recently by the Southern Governors Forum to adopt ranching as the most viable solution to the hardest farmers' clashes in Nigeria. The structuring of the Nigerian Federation to devolve more powers and functions to the states and reform of various civil institutions to achieve efficiency and equity for all sections of Nigeria. The meeting enjoins all Nigerians to work together to achieve peace and harmony with one another, devoid of discrimination based on ethnicity, religion, and other cleavages. To this end, the meeting called on the incompetent and rudderless APC government to take bold and deliberate steps to de-escalate and lower tensions in our country and concentrate on projects and policies that will enhance and promote national unity and cohesion. The meeting reiterated our earlier call from the National Assembly to expedite action on the passage of the Electoral Act that will ensure a free and fair election, including provisions for electronic accreditation and electronic transmission of votes. The meeting thanked the host governor, His Excellency Governor of Oyo State, for being a gracious and wonderful host, and congratulated him for many landmark developmental projects he has executed, and urged him to continue to work with all stakeholders in the southwest zone to ensure that PDP takes over majority of states in the coming elections in the zone. Thank you very much, and God bless you.